Hi friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today we're here with our friend Connor the cow. Hey Connor. Hey. Connor's gonna help us find some monster trucks today. You ready, Connor? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Whoa, check it out. It's Soldier of Fortune. Connor, what are you doing? Connor, get off of that. Connor, spit Soldier of Fortune out. Sorry. Let's go look for some more monster trucks, Connor. Whoa, check it out. It's Bigfoot. Yeah. Connor, stop eating all the monster trucks. Nom 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 nom. It's alien invasion. Check it out, check it out. Nom 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 nom. I got this one. Connor, put it down, put it down. Whoa, check it out. It's Lightning McQueen's friend. Who's that? It's Mr. the King. He races for Dynaco. Whoa, that's so cool. I'm not gonna eat him. He's the king. Whoa, check it out. Blue Thunder. Whoa. So cool. Nom, nom. Connor, leave Blue Thunder alone. Whoa, check it out, Connor. It's Hotwheeler. So cool. Watch out. That one's got a chain on its neck. Whoa, check it out. Hey, that's Ivy that's Lightning McQueen's friend. That's so cool. Hey Ivy, how's it going? Connor, stop biting everything. Are you hungry, Connor? Maybe we can find something for you to eat along the way, but I don't know. Let's just keep looking for monster trucks. Whoa, check it out. It's Scooby-Doo. Hey Scoobs, what's going on? Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? I need to find some friends now. See you later, Scooby. Whoa, it's Bowser. Connor, oh! That's Pokey. I don't like eating Pokey Bowsers. Yeah, Pokey turtles are tough to eat. Oh, check it out, check it out. It's Bored to be Wild. So cool. I want to be a surfer one day. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Who's that? It's Wolf's Head. Wolf's Head. Hey, what's up, Wolf's Head? Whoa, Connor. Don't throw Wolf's Head like that. We'll never be able to find Wolf's Head again. Hey, I said stop it. Now you got leaves in your mouth, Connor. That's too silly. Shake it off. Whoa, who did we find? It's Demo Derby. So cool. Demo Derby likes to race all the time. So cool. Whoa. Who's that, Connor? It's one of the Dirt Squad, isn't it? But this one's got a scorpion tail. Is it Scoops? It's Scoops, yeah. Connor, you're just getting really messy. Whoa, who's that, Connor? Oh, that's another friend of Lightning McQueen's. It's Mater. Hey, Mater. Hey, you guys. All right, Connor, let's go find some more monster trucks. Whoa, who's that? Hey, I could use a new haircut. That's Mohawk Warrior. It's got the coolest hairdo of all monster trucks. A mohawk. Check it out. I want a mohawk too. Maybe one day, Connor. Oh wow, who's this? What? That's Battle Cat. But Battle Cat doesn't have its red armor on. Wow. Hey, Battle Cat. Nom 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 nom. Delicious. Who's this? Hey, that's Dragonoid. So cool. This one can fly and breathe fire. Better not mess with this one. Just cool to look at. Whoa. It's El Toro Loco. This is one of my favorite monster trucks. Let's drive it. Vroom, 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 vroom. Whoa, Connor, that was pretty cool. Say bye to El Toro Loco. Looks like we stumbled onto a race. What do you think, Connor? Hey, look. It's Werewolf and Lightning McQueen. They're racing. Wow. Whoa. Lightning, Werewolf, and the King are all in a race. Look at all their friends that came to support them. We have Hotweiler, Alien Invasion, Wolf's Head, Scooby-Doo, Great Clips, Mohawk Warrior, El Toro Loco, Blue Thunder, Bigfoot, Bowser, Bored to Be Wild, Dragonoid, Scoops, Demo Derby, Soldier Fortune, Battle Cat, Mater, and Ivy. They all came to support Lightning McQueen and the King race. Werewolf, are you even fast enough to be racing with those race cars? Let's see how many people came to the race today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and El Toro Loco 17. Wow, that's crazy. That's a lot of friends. I hope Lightning McQueen can win. Looks like he's pulling ahead. Nom 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 nom. Let's get him. What do you say, the King? The King's moving along too. Oh no, Werewolf crashed. See you next time, friends.